Hello and a very happy new year to all of you and hope this year brings lot of happiness and success in your life. We spoke about habit formation and we also did a 21-day challenge on how to build a habit and how to stay consistent with it and why it is important to build that habit, why it is important to achieve that goal, and uh, what are those roadblocks which will stop you from achieving that goal. So I remember in 2020 I made a goal of losing 20 kgs of weight. Why? Because I wanted to please people, I wanted to impress people, and I wanted to look good. But that was not a very strong why. Don't you think so? And I lost weight, but I bounced it back immediately. And after that, it became a plateau, and I was not able to lose weight, which demotivated me, which made me believe that I cannot lose a weight. It's difficult for me to lose weight. And I stopped doing everything, every single thing which I used to do. So the reason is I did not have a strong why. Why I wanted to lose a weight. Is it for others or is it for myself? And realized it should be for me. Why do I want to lose weight? I wanted to lose weight because I wanted to live a pain free life. I wanted to have healthy joints. I wanted to have an active life. That was the major reason why I wanted to lose weight. And when I realized this, and then I made a plan towards it, then the losing weight was easy. Another thing was I did not have any people supporting me. I could be accountable for this goal of mine. And there was another reason why I could not stick up to that habit I've made for myself. Mistakes which people usually make while making a goal or while building a habit is they don't have a strong why. Second, they don't have people around them who can keep make them accountable for what they have made or what goals they want to achieve. So these two things are very important. Apart from that, self belief, that mindset, right mindset, and a winner's attitude important for one to achieve that goal and remain consistent with their habit. So last year was a year of change for me. I made changes around in me and changes in my environment so that I'm accountable and the track of achieving my goals. And this year is the year of possibility, power, strength, and growth. So I'll be working on my growth, on the habits which I have formed last year, and I would be working on it consistently to see the results which I expected. This is how habit formation and setting and putting tiny habits into your habit formation to make it more interesting, to make it more challenging, and to make it more achievable. A few things which you can do to achieve a goal is: one is find your why, make a plan. Third is build habits around it, challenge yourself, have an accountability partner, have patience and consistency. And I am on a mission to empower and touch as many lives as I can in this transformational journey. So, if you have any doubts or if you feel stuck anywhere in your life, do reach out to me and I will help you. I will guide you through the process, how to bring those necessary changes in you so that you can achieve your goal. So, with this, I, Jyoti, inner transformation coach, an author, and an upcoming speaker, signing out, and will be back.